Next, I'm going to prove that rotations are not always isometries in Etch-a-Sketch geometry. So first we need to define a rotation. So to rotate a point, you first pick a point, and then you pick a fixed point to rotate around. So right now I'm just going to pick this point, which is 0, 1, and I'm going to rotate around the origin for this to make it easier. And then you have to draw a circle with a fixed point around the center. So we're going to and this is a Etch-a-Sketch circle. So that's what it looks like. And so now we have 4 points. We have 0, 1, 1, 0, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. So, to prove that Etch-a-Sketch rotations are not always isometries, we need to find the distance between these points and the distance between two random points. So we got the d of 0, 1 and 1, 0 equals 2, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's the distance. And now, so I picked two random points, and this is 1/2, 1/2. This is negative 1/2, 1/2. The distance between these points are not the same. You get 1 plus 0, which only equals 1. So the distance here is not the same as the distance here, proving that Etch-a-Sketch rotations are not always isometry.